Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned few problems of concave lens. Today, we will be learning some more problems. Children. Okay. See here, children. Make a note of this problem. An object placed. An object placed 50 centimeter from a lens. 50 centimeter from a lens produces a virtual image. Produces a virtual image. Produces a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter. At a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the lens. In front of the lens. Draw a diagram to show the formation of image. Draw a diagram. Draw a diagram to show the formation of image. To show the formation of image. To show the formation of image. Calculate the focal length of the lens. Calculate the focal length. Calculate the focal length of the lens and magnification produced. And magnification produced. Okay, children. Here the problem is an object placed 50 centimeter from a lens. An object is placed 50 centimeter from a lens. Produces a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the lens. Draw a diagram to show the formation of the image. Calculate the focal length of the lens. And here he is asking to find the magnification produced. Okay, children. Here what he had given, children. Here what he gave. Object placed 50 centimeter. That is U is given, children. U is 50 centimeter. U is 50 centimeter. It forms a virtual image. Virtual image means always when the object is a 50 centimeter, what is the virtual image he is asking? Virtual image means here, children, which is the lens which always gives a virtual image. That is the concave lens. Concave lens. First you should identify what type of lens it is, such that you can easily write the sign conventions of them. And here the image is at a distance of 10 centimeters. It forms a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeters. Therefore, image distance is 10 centimeters. He is asking to draw the figure, and here he is asking to find the focal length also. Okay, children. First, concave lens. All this the sign convention. All are negative. U, V, F all are negative. Therefore, here use the lens formula, children. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by V. That is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V, that is minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 50. Okay, children. Now 1 by F is equals to minus 1 by 10, minus of minus is plus 1 by 50. LCM is 50, children. 10 5s are minus 5 plus 5 1. Minus 4 by 50, children. F is equal to 50 by minus 50 by 4. Okay, that is 12.5 centimeter. What is the focal length, children? Focal length is minus 12.5 centimeter. Minus 12.5 centimeter is the focal length, children. Okay. Now here what is he asking? He is asking to find the magnification. And in the same way he is asking to draw the diagram. Okay, children. Magnification he is asking. Here magnification formula is V by U, children. Here what is V? Here magnification. V is minus 10. What is U? Minus 50. Minus minus cancel. 10 ones are 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 0.25. Sorry, 0.2. Okay, children. 0.2 is the magnification. 0.2 is the magnification. Now he is asking to draw the figure. Okay, in the same way he is asking to draw the figure, children. Now I am drawing the figure of a concave lens. Concave lens. Concave lens, f1 here, c1 here, f2 here, c2 here. What is the focal length we got, children? 12.5. 12.5 here also 12.5, 25. 50 means somewhere here very far away, children. 50 means very far away. Okay, children, very far away. Now I am drawing a figure A, B. Okay, it is a concave lens, therefore it diverges. It is undeviated. Where the image formed? It is 10 cm. It is 10 cm. Image is formed 10 cm. Therefore, what are the characteristics of the image formed, children? Characteristics. Characteristics of the image formed. It forms a virtual, erected, diminished. Okay. And the image is formed between F and O. Okay, children. These are the characteristics. Therefore, this is the problem, children. Okay? Right. This is the problem, children. Right. Here, children. Okay. Of this figure of the problem we completed, children. Okay. He asked to find the image focal length. The focal length we got it as 12.5 centimeter. And he asked to find the magnification and the same way diagram, children. Therefore, we all fulfilled over here, children. Okay? Right. Now, children, we go with the next problem, children. Next problem. Okay? See here. Here, the lens A produces a magnification of okay, children. See here. The lens A produces a magnification of minus 0.6. Here, a lens A produces a magnification of minus 0.6, whereas a lens B produces a magnification of plus 0.6. What is the nature of a lens A? What is the nature of the lens A? What is the nature of the lens A, children? Here the nature of the lens A is here minus 0.6. Magnification is minus 0.6. Minus indicates it is a real image or inverted image. A real inverted. Okay, children. But whereas the magnification plus means what? It is virtual. Virtual means it is erected. What is this lens, children? A real inverted means convex lens. Convex lens. Whereas here in this case, concave lens. Okay, children. Therefore, here what is he asking? He is asking what is the nature of the lens A. The nature of the lens A is a convex lens, whereas the nature of the lens B is a concave lens, children. Okay. Therefore, we completed 2 problems over here. The remaining we will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.